So hello guys, this is react.dev, a website which teaches you React. So on this website you can go on tutorials Tic Tac Toe. Here you can find how to make a Tic Tac Toe game using React, using components and different functions like youth state. Yeah, there are a lot of content here. You can check it all out. I will provide the link in description, and you can surely create this game using React. It is really simple. Something like, I guess, wait a minute. Yeah, like 120 lines of code, just a single file which you can edit and make changes in. You can find winners. You can even adjust CSS according to yourself, however you want to design the UI, and that's it. You just need to change the class names and all and edit them, or you can add your own CSS to them using the class name. So I'll show you the results. GitHub. Or you can directly check out the GitHub page of mine. There you can find the source for the code. Here, this is the complete file you need to work on. So it is simple code, simple functions, and that's it. I also added some draw and winner text. Whenever someone wins, if player 1 wins, it shows x1 and 01, something like that. It is really simple. You can check it out. I'll show you the code. Oh, not here. Sorry. So it is already running. I'll just show you the output by typing in the command npm run dev. If you know React, you know what is npm run dev. So if you want to know exactly how to start project, how to manage files and all, so you can check the link here on the same website, quick start and all. You can use any tool you want. I'm using white because I find it simple to implement and easy component manipulation and easier to understand what I'm doing with the code. That is why I use white. You can use anything else, but the main thing is I'm using React library. So this is the code, and let me run it. And npm. What's wrong with my hands? Okay, now what is wrong? Did I miss something? Okay, now it's running. I just needed to change the directory to my project file. So you can control and left click on the local link provided by the IDE, and it will redirect to the output. So this is the complete code, and this is what do you say, the output. So you can see whenever a player wins, it shows green boxes, which means the X player has won. You can play again here. Player has won. You can play again here. I'll let the O player win this time. You see, it shows the green boxes as if the player has won. So this is the pretty much code, and it is responsive. Let me show you in the inspect. Okay, so code is responsive for every devices. If you know what is media queries, you will understand it. I don't know if the format is correct, but I included all the max width inside this media query here. I don't know if this implementation is correct or not. People do multiple media queries, and they just do like something like 600 to 700 or maybe 900, but I included all of them, 300, 400, 500 pixels till 1400 pixels. So I don't know much about media queries because I haven't worked with CSS lately. I will work on it later. So you get the pretty much idea. Just so you understand, I will tell you about the folder representation here, or we can say the project representation. So this is the main folder, which has node modules which we use. Here is the white module tool, we can say it is actual tool. So these are the packages we need from it, which we use to manipulate the document. Here, this is our document, and we need to manipulate it. That is why we use this white tool. You can use any other tool. I don't know the examples because I haven't researched that much, but you get the idea. And this is another one, white.js. I don't know what that is. You don't need to know everything in your project. You just need to work with the main files here. The every file here is of node module, and you just need to work with the source file here. And that is why I only uploaded the source file on my GitHub and nothing else, because I tried uploading all the files, but it said there are a lot of files because there was node modules in my project, and node module has like 200 files, and in those files there are other different files. That is why it said there are a lot of files, you cannot upload all of them. And that is why I only uploaded the source file, which is efficient, and you get the idea. That's it. This is our HTML page. Here you can change the image of the icon here. You see the icon here, you can change on that page. You can also change the title of the page, like simple website. If you change it here, you will see it here. You see it has changed now. Just some simple notifications. Okay, so you get the idea, and that's it. This is white config. I cannot tell you that much about it, but it is just a plugin of React that we are going to use in this project. And I guess that's all. I just wanted to post a video on YouTube regarding my current situation of my skills and what I'm working on, and that's it. I think this is new feature that when you scroll you see the functions as a sticky bar. You see, when I scroll, the function square appears on this, which is like a website. The line number is 3, but it is showing on the line number 5 because the function ends at 9. That is why. And when I cross the line, you can see the export function, which is function board, and it ends at the end of the program. And that's it. This is the complete code. It is not too much. You can do this project in React. It was really simple to implement with JavaScript, but I needed to work on React, so I made it. And that's it for this video. Okay, so talking about React learning, you can go on this website. I will provide the link in the description. You can learn about installation, how to implement React if you are working with React first time, starting a project in React, adding React to an existing project. There are some tabs you can explore here, and yes, that's it. Describing the UI. You can learn a lot of functions or properties from this website because React has made this website for the users to understand and work with React. They want people to work with React. And if you want to know how popular is React, you can go and search React and use of React in websites in percent. I guess these are not the correct, what do you say, estimations, because I have heard not majority, but little bit of what do you say, a little more than a minority. Let me check images. Image is too small. I have to visit the website to look at the image. No problem, we'll do that. Okay, so most used web framework among developers worldwide as of the early 2020s. So React is 35.9%, jQuery, Angular, ASP.NET are other alternatives you can work on to create web applications and some cool responsive websites. Talking about Angular is a pretty big framework, but React is a library, so there is a lot of difference implementing both of those if you want to. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of promote this site for students like me to work on React, nothing else. Really cool site to learn React. I guess that's it. This is the project. This is where you can find the information about the project, and this is where you can find the code of the project. You can also find the code of the project at the bottom of this page when you click on Tic Tac Toe. Okay, I did it line by line, but you can directly copy this code and paste it if you want to, and you can also understand the code implemented. It's up to you what you do. They also added this go to move, but I didn't implement it because it will be out of the context. because nobody does that. It's not a chess. You have to reverse the move. It is tic tac toe. Once you play the move, you cannot go back, something like that. We can say it's a fair game. And that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.